Hey guys, I'm in New York. I'm sure. Where are you going next? Hi guys, I finally got to my Airbnb. I look like a hot mess. It is so warm and sunny outside. I'm actually gonna shower, get changed, and I'm gonna head out. Okay. I just showered and trying to pick my outfit. It's so nice out, but I also know I'm gonna be out for a while in the evening because I have a ticket to the Whitney Museum at 8:30. But I have this knit skirt that I'm wearing as a tube top, Cope Capine tuxedo shorts, brown socks to go with the tube top, and these like Mary Jane kind of flats. But yeah, I'm thinking I might go with this outfit. I really want to dress summery. I'm gonna bring you guys along on my little solo birthday trip. It's my 25th birthday, so I took myself to New York. I'm in Brooklyn now in my Airbnb. I just showered from the flight, changed and got ready, and it's so nice outside, so I'm gonna take you guys around with me. So I just wanted to show you guys the apartment quickly while I'm alone. It's a stunning apartment. The bedroom, I'm obsessed with the bedroom. This is such a good size and it's so chic. Lots of lights, a lovely window situation. It's like super clean and minimal. It's so cute, but I'm gonna head out now. I've been rejecting the things I never said to you. What was that? The reality has just set. It's not as easy to talk to a person you never met. Subway now, and I think I'm actually gonna go to Soho area because it's so nice out and I feel like it's gonna be perfect for photos today. So we're gonna do that. So it's a little bit later now. I got some lunch. I got a burger randomly, but it was really good. And now I'm heading to the Whitney. It's getting a little chillier out, but overall, still such a nice day. So I'm a little early. I've been walking all day, but almost there. I'll be more enthusiastic tomorrow. I feel like I'm just so tired today, but that's okay, because we're in New York. So I'm literally checking in with you guys from the steps of the Whitney Museum. It's not quite the Met, but it's the Whitney. And I'm just kind of drained. I also walked so much today. I only took the subway twice for the whole day. And I made it from Clinton Hill, Brooklyn, all the way to the Whitney. But yeah, it's been a really good first day. I have a lot of plans for tomorrow and the next day.
I think that was the conversation.
I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna hang out for a little bit in here. Might like watch something on my laptop. Just kind of take it easy. It wasn't even a full day because I got here at like 1:45 to the Airbnb. And then I went and got coffee and like the tiniest breakfast ever at like 2 o'clock. But yeah, I'm just drained. So I hope that the first day was cool for you guys to see. I definitely saw a lot of really nice things. The weather was amazing today. So I'm very, very happy about that. And I'll see you guys in the morning.